IPO watch. Indogulf Cropsciences to launch 200 crore rupees issue on June 26th. Indogulf Cropsciences Limited will open its 200 crore rupees IPO on June 26th, 2025 with a price band of 105 rupees to 111 rupees per share. The offer includes a fresh issue of 160 crore rupees and an OFS of over 36 lakh shares. Proceeds will be used for working capital, debt repayment, and setting up a new plant. Established in 1993, the Agri-Sciences Company has a strong presence in India and exports to over 34 countries. The IPO closes on June 30th. Report Bilkul Online.
We have introduced me and my father are graduates and we did graduation from Sri Ram College of Commerce, and as I said, I am the third generation. Next. We have a very professional team, and our CFO Mr. Manoj Gupta is here. Our Vice President Strategy and Corporate Affairs, Mr. Sanjay Chaudhary, he is also on the panel as a panelist. Our Vice President Marketing and Sales, Vijay Virji, is also here. We have other people, Mr. Chosic, Mr. Ashish, Sashi, Negi, and SKG. So we are not a company of people, rather we are a company because of people. So this slide shows about the growth prospects, and to start with, like we have our presence, our product category is broadly into three segments. Crop protection is a major segment, and then we have plant nutrients and biologicals. We are diversified and we have products for almost all the crops. Fiber crops, oil seeds, fruit, vegetables, plantation crops, cereals, and we have 4 manufacturing units. One is NABL accredited laboratory, and the capacities are 42,500 metric tons for the formulations and 1,360 tons for the technicals. Our revenue from exports is around 10.48% of our total revenue, and as I said, we are into three customer segment. One is B2B, which is our institutional sales. One is B2C, which is our brand sales in India, and one is our overseas market, our export market. So this slide shows that we have products for every crop, may it be cereals, pulses, cotton, oilseed, horticulture, and amongst the three product verticals of crop protection, plant nutrients, and biologicals, we have a complete product basket, and this slide shows our few key products and the revenue which we are generating from our three verticals. So this slide shows about our launches year over years. We have been growing from the products, and every year we have been adding to our product basket in all the three verticals, in crop protection also, in biologicals also, and in nutrients also. And this slide shows the launches till last December 2024. and this is also one of the tools to accelerate our growth. And we have a complete plan, rollout plan for the coming years for our new product launches. So, amongst our product basket, plant nutrients and biologicals is one of the emerging markets. And as I told you, for Indogulf, this has been one of the forte. So, since our inception, as I shared with you, that the crop productivity is one of the key opportunities and key factors, but it is not only about selling the product, it is selling the solution. So we have a great team, and it is basically sharing of the right education, right dose, right time, right stage, and the impact of the different nutrients and different biologicals on the crop. So we have very successful examples in the past of few of our products, which are, I can brief you a few names like Indo Apache, like Empire, like Zinc Super. So these have been nutrient and biological products. So the CAGR of these products is around 15.6% from 2024 to 2029, and the demand is driven by sustainable farming, increased awareness regarding the benefits of balanced nutrition, and increasing the soil health card usage, and shift in customers' preference towards organic produce. So we have a complete range for plant nutrient correctors and biologicals. Biologicals are broadly into three subcategories, and we are majorly having most of the products, and they are based on innovations and research. Next. This is about our manufacturing facility. One facility we have in JNK, one we have for technical manufacturing, which is in Nathupur. Another formulation we have in Nathupur itself, and one factory is in Barwasni. And we are further expanding this Barwasni factory. We have already around 16-17 acres of area, and we shall be installing our dry flowable plant in this facility itself. We also have NABL accredited laboratory, as already shared with you. Next. So we have pan-India presence. Almost all the states we are doing good business, but we are more focused in north presently, and we shall be extending our footprints towards center and south zone. And we have 192 institutional business partners, 6916 B2C distributors, 17 stock depots, 293 marketing and sales teams, 6 brand offices, and in overseas we are working in 34 countries with 143 business partners, and our target markets are Morocco, Turkey, Tanzania, South Korea, Brazil, and Oman. So our business is quite scattered, and we are not focused to any specific countries. We are also possibly receiving some good registrations from Vietnam, as well as from Brazil market of plant nutrients and biologicals very shortly. Also, adjoining market of Ecuador, we shall be, we are expecting the expansion in these countries as well. Next. So these are our growth strategies. So, like we shall be putting up a dry flowable plant with a capacity of 2000 metric ton per annum. That will increase our production capabilities. Also, we are strengthening our R&D capabilities. we, as I told you, in our new campus, we have already planned a 30,000 square feet area for the innovation and research center. Already we have research centers in all the factories, but this will be a committed research center. Also, we have partnerships with various universities and research centers, and we are taking up new innovations and more effective solutions for the farmers. With respect to widening of sales and distribution network, Om Prakash will play an important role in this. And also we are expanding our global geographies to various countries and also increasing our new distributor network in central and southern part. So all these are the possibilities for the new geographies and new distribution network. With respect to product pipeline, we have a complete plan. Every year we keep on launching. 14 products were launched until 31st December 2024 last year. Next. So I request my CFO to speak on this slide. Manojji, you can take it.
Good afternoon, everybody. That we are putting this slides for our revenues. This FY22 to 23 we have done a very good growth, but FY23 and 24 it was a flat because the reason was that because of the price downside, and but we have done a very good growth in the quantity, and we are expecting a good growth in this December 24. We have done a very good growth, and EBITDA margins are also increasing. In 24 we have achieved 10.9%, and till December we have already achieved the 9.65%. In the PAT we are already FY23 the PAT was low, as I told you that the prices has gone very high, and some of the things we have been able to transfer to the consumers. But FY24 again we have been able to manage our profit, and till December also we have achieved already 4.67%. Our ROE and ROC is coming from 11.03 to 12.19%, and till December it is already achieved 8.17%. Next. This already I have explained to this EBITDA margins in the FY23 to 24 has already increased from 490 to 557. Until December we have already achieved the 447. The growth is around 10. The EBITDA margins are 10.9% in the 24 and 9.65% already achieved in December. PAT margins, we have FY24 we have a PAT of 28 crores, which we have already achieved in December around 21 crores. As ROE and ROC have reviewed that it is increased little because as my MD has already told you that we are working on the Bravasi plant, so we have taken some term loans which has increased our debt to equity. But after this IPO we are, as already explained by Ankit, that we are paying the 4 crores of the loans we are repaying. So the debt equity ratio will be again corrected. Next. So now over to Sanjay.
Yeah. So with respect to industry overview, broadly, if we talk of agri-input business, so India has now holding amongst the top 5 positions with respect to as a manufacturer as well as exporter across the globe, and CAGR of our industry is 6.9% from 23 to 29, and different categories have different kind of growth opportunities. Bio fertilizer has a significant growth opportunity, and overall we are looking forward for a much much stronger future for Indogulf as well as our Indian farmers. The population, increase in the population definitely has a pressure on the land, and the best yield, the best products are desired, and with the increase of nutritive demand in the fruits, vegetables, pulses, so we expect that the nutrition products and biological products will be in the great demand. Also, off-patented molecules are there, which are approximately 5 billion of products which shall be getting off-patented by financial year 2027, and that creates a good opportunity for Indogulf also. In our past trajectory also, any kind of off-patented product we have been ready with the products, with the technology, with the regulatory part. Some of the successful examples had been fluoroquinone, Tembotrione, and now dolphin parrot, and sparomacifan had also been one of the successful examples in the past. So government, with respect to government support, the government credit to farmers and low interest rate loan to the farmers are there. Government has have many schemes in the interest of farmers. Government is quite active to make agriculture as one of the strongest, and working on the newest technology with respect to the product as well as mechanization. Also, the export segment possibilities are there. However, our main focus from Indogulf is to develop our brand business in India, which has a huge potential, and we are focusing on that.
Good afternoon again. Yes, we are aiming for geographical expansion because after having a strong setup of business domestically in the country, we started moving across the boundaries, and currently we are operating in almost 34 countries, but the objective is to further extend to countries, especially the Latin countries, the part 1, and the other countries in Asia where rice happens to be an important crop. So yes, I reiterate, yes, we have strong plans of geographical expansion and global expansion with all of product categories that cater to crop protection and as well as to crop nutrition.
So on behalf of Systematics, I would like to extend our sincere appreciation to all the esteemed guests who joined us today. This session has been an invaluable opportunity to present Indogulf growth story and key investment highlights. We are confident that the insights shared today by the management have provided a clear understanding of company's strong fundamentals and market potential. We look forward for your continued trust and partnership. Thank you once again for your time and participation. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.
Kindly like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more such videos.